What's up, Airsofters? No, you're not seeing double. This is, in fact, the latest release from Armor Works Custom, the MX-0100, double-barreled 1911. You know what they say, one 1911 is good, two 1911s is better, double-barreled 1911s is bestest. Especially when they're covered in skull cam. This water-transferred skull camouflage gives an impressive finish to an already amazing-looking double-barreled gas blowback pistol. Released by Armor Works Custom to expand their double-barreled pistol series, first with the high kappas, or the 2011s, and now with the double-barreled 1911, you have a really cool, slick, double-stack 1911 magazine that individually holds 16 rounds and together hold 32. Stitching two 1911s together isn't as easy as just gluing two frames and slides together. It requires certain design considerations, like the book-matched ejection ports, one facing to either side of the center line, and the relocated GI-style combat sights on top. They've also managed to tie together the key components to make sure this bad boy works effectively and efficiently every time, giving you a trigger that pulls from either side and functions both firing systems together, as well as a hammer that's tied together between both halves. The MX-0100 has two independent beaver tail safeties and one thumb safety in the back. Additionally, to make sure that you can keep your grip on this bad boy, they've gone with a really nicely texturized set of grip panels in a very cool honeycomb texture. The single press of the right-handed mag release drops both of the drop-free magazines out that have been tied together. Extra magazines are available here on the website. So, if you're interested in double tapping your enemy with one trigger pull, then look no further than the new Armor Works Custom Double Stack 1911. Available now, the MX-0100 can be found right here on our website at Evike.com.